Greetings. Earlier today I made some bread dough and this is what it looks like. I'm going to just pour it onto a simple pizza sheet with a bit of baking paper on it just to make it easier to clean up. And you can see that the dough itself is quite wet, which is quite alright. Nothing wrong with that, because it's going to basically spread out into a nice, I want to say almost flat bread. It's not technically a flat bread, but once it gets smeared around a little bit, it doesn't have to be perfect, doesn't have to be pretty, it just wants to be fast. And with that, more or less evenly spread out, no form, no shape required. And I'm going to stab this a little bit. And I'm going to put some olive oil on the top. Just a little bit. And a little bit of pepper, because I like pepper, just a little bit, and stab it again. Smear the oil around a little bit, and all of this is going to go into the oven at 225°C. I don't know what it is in F. Hot. Because it's flat, it'll take only 20 minutes or so to bake, and I'll be back with the results accordingly. Thanks for watching, and happy baking!